everyone, Tammy here. I'm behind the camera and giving you a little sneak peek behind the scenes here in the Dolly Sewing Room. I actually started working on clearing out this room. I have lots of dolls in here. I have a overrun closet. It is like a nightmare. I have more dollies over here. Skipper fell over. I'm doing a spa treatment for this new girl. This is 20 Years of Love, a Neo Blythe anniversary doll. And I have some new furniture coming in that's going to help me get organized in here. This is where I often film some of my videos. I just have this little table, and this backdrop I got from Amazon. It is a big sheet, and it's actually going in the wrong direction, but this is the only way I could get it to really fit here. And this is not really a real shelf. This is a faux shelf. I have more dolls up there, but this is a queen size bed that is flipped on its side, and the box springs are behind it. So that's the mattress and box springs, and somewhere around here, over there is the what do you call it, the frame for it. You can see I have some American Girl clothes over there hanging in the closet. There's also a big ginormous Christmas tree packed away in there that I would love to get rid of, but hubby likes that tree. So this side I can kind of leave for now, I think, but this other side I started to clear out. This is where I sew. Right now there's a bunch of stuff. So I'm watching videos. Here's Dolls Rescued. She's doing a very cool video right now about the goth challenge that she's doing with J Dolls UK, and everybody's joining in. So Dolls Gone Goth. So I started to clear stuff off. You can see I got some cleared here, some cleared here, but I have to get everything. I have 3 half-size bookcases. Here, down here is where I have my fabric. You see that? And here, of course, here's my ironing board that's pretty much up all the time because of sewing. I use my ironing board a lot as a place to cut out fabric and also, you know, iron while I'm sewing. I've got more sewing gear down here. I've got boxes for shipping stuff out. But yeah, so this whole wall, I started to clear it, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a before and after before I get too much further. And I'm going to have 3 big old bookcases against this wall in the next couple of weeks. Fingers crossed. So I have to clear it out because we got to get the bookcases in here, and then we have to actually assemble the bookcases. So not only are the bookcases going to go here, but I need space here so we can move around a little bit. Yeah, I have a cabinet here with, I have some supplies in this cabinet here. Dolly stuff. Anyway, so I have that pretty much filled up. These are a sneak peek of future stuff I'm going to be unboxing at some point. But we need to make some room in here so we can get these new bookcases in, and then I will fill them up with these dolls. And I'm really looking forward to that. Telling you, I cannot wait. That's my backyard. I cannot wait. I'll have 3 areas here where I can actually display dolls in a nice way and have my fabric and everything for sewing. Yeah, really looking forward to that. So hopefully, I think I can use this part once I get that all done. I might use that as my backdrop for filming. I don't know. I'm kind of mixed on that. Some people say you should have a neutral backdrop, but then I really like people to see my dolls, so I don't know. We've got Cruella. She's waiting here for her turn. I've got to work on her next. These gals, I recently did a video where I made their cover-ups in their swimsuits. So that's Miami and Malibu. But yeah, I'm getting back to work, just taking a break. Wanted to share my good news. I'm very excited. I've been saving up for these bookcases, and now I'm able to get them. Alright, I'm continuing to move stuff out of here. Look what I found behind one of the bookcases. Yeah, cute little dress. All right, so yeah, still have a mess. Clearing out. These two have to clear out and push all this back, and the bookcases did arrive late last night, so we will be dragging one of them in here pretty soon. All right, we have the first bookcase opened. And by the way, so these bookcases, I got them from Office Max online. I know a lot of people like IKEA, but there are no IKEAs where I live. So this was delivered. I got 3 of these. I'll link below the name of the, I want to say it's Saunders or something like that, but I'll link below the info for what type of bookcase we're doing here. Hubby is helping me out. So as soon as I get one put together, I as in he, I will be back. All right, one bookcase is up. So this is a permanent shelf, and the others are, there's 3 more shelves, 2 here and 1 down there, and it is adjustable. All right, all 3 bookcases are assembled. These shelves are the adjustable ones. So there are multiple shelves. There's 3. In fact, we got one missing here, but there's 3 shelves that are adjustable. Oh, that's it right there. These little pegs pop out, and you can move them around in any of these holes here. And then you just, so I can show you, there you go. You just place the shelf on top of the pegs here, which is really nice, very adjustable. I will need to measure some of my dolls and that kind of thing. One bookcase was damaged a little bit, little boo-boo right here, and a little nick here, and a little one, where is it at, right here. So that bums me out a little bit, but I put it on the end here, so when my thoughts are I will be filling up the center one with dolls and fabric, and then maybe do sometimes that will be a backdrop for some of my videos, and then this will be a lot of dolls. Down at the bottom I'm going to put books. I have crafting books and sewing books and, you know, a few other ones. I don't have a ton of books in this room. Honestly, most of my books I have at my school office or in another room. And yeah, so I will put my most of them are crafting books. So I'll put my crafting books down here. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. All right, so I have a lot to do at this point. Lots and lots to get this all organized. And yeah, so look for a follow-up video. Here, I'll just show you what's behind me. This is just a little bit of what I have to put together. And then there is a huge pile of fabric and other crafting items and books and such in my living room. One other thing I wanted to remember to mention is, according to these instructions here, my husband warned me, I'm not supposed to put stuff on the top of these. Even though these are anchored against the wall, the anchor is, I don't know if I can get a look at it, or there you go, there's an anchor. So they're anchored against the wall, but it said I shouldn't put stuff on top, which I'm bummed about. I had planned to do that. If I do put anything up there, I guess I have to make sure it's very, very light. But for some reason it says don't put anything up there. But we'll see. I mean, that's a whole lot of space. I'm going to probably put at least some baskets of fabric scraps or something at the very least up there. I don't know. I want to use all the space, folks. I want to use every little bit of this. So you guys, I will do a follow-up video like I was about to say before. I will do a follow-up video where I show this whole thing organized. This is going to obviously take me a good couple of days. And I will show you the finished product in a future video. And thank you guys for stopping by. Please make sure you subscribe so you get notification of the next video where I show all of this all done. And give me a thumbs up. And put in the comments what have you done to get organized in your crafting and dolly space? Bye-bye.